How's it going, guys? Welcome to Local Channel Trading. So I'm not really into politics. I don't study politics, and I don't really care, to be honest, aside from how it affects us as day traders and investors. But what I do know is that without a doubt, Donald Trump is capable of influencing the markets in which we trade. I know people are going to have their different viewpoints and opinions when it comes to this, whether it's the long side, thinking that, Trump, if you compare his stats from like the previous presidents and the previous years and where we are now and the volatility that he brought into it, right? And other people might have their negative viewpoints as he may be creating a time bomb. We don't know what he's up to, how he's manipulating the market, and later on in the future, if we find out how that could affect us, right? Whether it's a pullback or potential crash. Believe it or not, Trump has opened up opportunities for us as intraday traders. First being like I said in my other video, Trump news is hype, and wherever there's hype, there's volatility, and wherever there's volatility, there's a lot of profit to be made, whether it's the long side or the short side, right? Unfortunately, since I'm not into politics, I can't tell you whether Donald Trump's decisions will take us in a certain direction, right? Because I don't have that type of information. But you can let me know in the comments what you think of this and where we can potentially reach when it comes to the stock market. But one thing for sure that I do know is whatever direction that we go in, there is opportunities and there is profit to be made. So it's going to take some adjusting on strategies and developing your skills and adapting, really. But there is those opportunities still going to be there from when the market started, right? And if you bring it all the way till now, you could see that we're at all-time highs, right? All-time highs, regardless of what president was in office, regardless of what happened around the world, we are at all-time highs. And we've been trending this way for a long time. There's been pullbacks. We know there's pullbacks when it comes to the stock market, investing, and day trading. So one thing not to focus on is the news itself, but what the opportunity the news brings, right? So whether it's Trump, whether it's the next president, whether it's, war, it doesn't matter. That's news and it affects the market. So will Trump news last forever? Of course not. Every hype dies off. There's going to be new things that are going to attract our attention, new things that are going to be brought up. But it all still is opportunity for us to profit. So developing your strategy is key. Getting started in investing, no matter what market condition, what time, there's always things to learn, right? And you learn and grow from your experiences in whatever market you're in. So you really shouldn't hold yourself to any excuses when it comes to that, and when it comes to learning about trading and investing. I'm really focused on the opportunities and the profit that it could potentially bring you. Because the earlier you get started, the sooner you're going to get results. With that, I want to say don't let outer circumstances control whether you're going to become a day trader and whether you profit or not. Regardless, there's things going to happen to you personally and things to the society, but don't let it stop you from that continued growth. We want to learn and improve from those situations, right? So having that optimistic mindset that Trump is potentially good for the stock market, right, will allow you to open up new advantages, I would call it, and new viewpoints that may allow you to see the market in a different perspective that will allow you to profit, right? You can really be holding yourself back a lot just because of that negative belief. Some people don't get into trading and investing just because Donald Trump is president, right? It sounds ridiculous, but it's true. And they're missing out on that opportunity, one, to profit, and two, to learn. So that's kind of my rant on Donald Trump. Well, do I think that, there is a potential time bomb that he's created? Well, I don't know all the things that he's done. I'm not in office and, I can't tell you that, but it is a possibility, right? And if you know Donald Trump, I don't know Donald Trump. You know what he's capable of and how it may affect us as traders and investors. So that's all for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, got value. Don't forget to comment below. I'm really interested in what you guys and some of your opinions and viewpoints when it comes to this topic. But nonetheless, thanks you guys for watching. See you guys again soon.